Hey guys, how are you all? Today I've got an update for you regarding the WCoin listing date. But before I reveal the listing date news, if you haven't joined the free WCoin token collecting Telegram bot, you can join the Telegram bot through the link given down below in the description and comment box. So, before we move on to the update, those people who don't know how to collect the WCoin through the Telegram bot can get an idea from here. So guys, what you need to do is just to basically keep tapping on and collect as many as coins as possible, but make sure that your tapping power doesn't get exhausted. If it exhausts, you can simply wait for some time until it refills by itself. Another way through which you can earn a lot of these WCoin tokens is through by completing different tasks. These different tasks include following their social media pages or channels, or reacting to their news, etc., or by inviting more and more friends to the official bot so that they can also earn profits like you by collecting more and more coins. Right guys? So it's a very easy and simple game. You can also boost your tapping power by spending some coins on these following tools provided by the bot. So these will help you to maximize your tapping power or increase your battery power. You also get free limited daily boosters every day. So you can get benefit through these tools and increase or maximize your tapping and coin collection power. Right guys? You can also stake your W coins according to your convenience in order to ensure future profits. Right guys? So this is also a very important beneficial feature which this bot has provided. Also guys, you can trade your W coins in this Telegram bot by clicking here. This is a new feature introduced by this Telegram bot of WCoin, in which you will be able to trade in every 8 hours by clicking the trade button and enhance your bot's efficiency by upgrading the features in it. You can also invite new friends to unlock advanced levels and maximize your trading speed. So basically what you are gonna do, you will be using your W coins to trade here. Right guys? As you can see, I have already started my trading session, and after 8 hours, I can come back and do my trading stuff again. Also guys, I can use these 4 tools being shown on the screen in order to enhance my trading speed. Right guys? WCoin is being supported by Goats Coin too. Yes guys, you heard it right. Goats is backing WCoin. As you can see here, in the missions section, there is a task to subscribe the WCoin and join its bot in the Goats Telegram bot. So you can understand how big this project is. So now, coming back to the news, as this news is being circulated on all over the internet that the WCoin is about to get listed in the mid-September, or in certain sites they are saying that it is about to get listed by 15th of September. As you can see right here, this is a random crypto news site claiming that this coin will be listed before September 15th, 2024 is not correct, because neither on their Telegram channel nor on their official Twitter account they have mentioned anywhere that they are about to list their coin on a certain date. Yes, the listing is certain, but this is mostly going to happen by the starting of the October month or in the mid-October, because they are still working on their coin advertisement or promotion guys and giving themselves a chance to put a great impact on the crypto market. Also, WCoin founders have just chosen their blockchain as Ton, so there are high chances that they might list their token in the mid-October. As you can see guys, that they have already got more than 20 million users from all over the world. These guys are already in their way to break the crypto market with their influence. So make the best use of it guys and earn as many W coins as possible. So be patient guys, keep collecting, keep winning, and keep earning, and stay in touch for real, authentic news regarding the token listing. Thank you guys. To get the latest updates, subscribe our channel.